Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about a simple homemade beauty trick that has been getting a lot of attention online. If you're tired of shaving, expensive waxing appointments, or dealing with rough skin after hair removal, then stay with me until the end, because this DIY recipe might surprise you. And before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our easy home tips, beauty tricks, and money-saving ideas. Alright, let's get started. For today's recipe, we only need a few simple kitchen ingredients that many people already have at home. First, take one medium onion. It doesn't need to be huge. A regular yellow onion works perfectly, but if you only have red onion at home, that's completely fine too. Now, peel the onion carefully and remove the top and bottom parts. Once that's done, grab a grater. You can use either the small side or the large side depending on what you have in your kitchen. Now, begin grating the onion slowly into a bowl. As you grate it, you'll notice the onion releasing a lot of juice. That liquid is exactly what we need for this recipe. By the way, quick question for everyone watching. What's your best trick to avoid crying while cutting onions? Drop your answer in the comments because I know everybody has a different method. After grating the onion, we need to separate the juice from the pulp. You can use a sieve, but I personally prefer using a clean cloth because it extracts more liquid. Place the grated onion inside the cloth and squeeze it well until only the juice comes out into the bowl. The leftover onion pulp can be discarded. Now, let's move on to the second ingredient. Take half of a fresh tomato and grate it the same way. As you grate it, you'll notice the tomato releasing its natural juice. That's perfect. Once again, use a cloth or sieve to separate the juice from the seeds and pulp. Now we have two fresh ingredients ready, onion juice and tomato juice. Next, take a clean bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, yes, the same baking powder used for baking in the kitchen, then pour in the tomato juice. After that, add the same amount of onion juice. Now mix everything together very well until it forms a smooth paste-like consistency. And here comes the important part. Before using any homemade skincare or beauty treatment, always do a small patch test on your skin first. Some people may have sensitive skin or irritation from natural ingredients. Now, if everything feels okay, apply a thin layer to the area where unwanted hair appears. For demonstration, I'll apply a small amount here. Spread it evenly and leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, the mixture dries a little on the skin. After 20 minutes, use a soft cloth or tissue and gently wipe the area clean. Some people online claim this mixture helps weaken fine hair appearance over time and leaves the skin feeling smoother. But remember, results can vary from person to person. This is not a miracle treatment, and it may not work the same for everyone. The good thing about this recipe is that the ingredients are inexpensive, simple, and easy to find in almost every kitchen. That's why so many people are trying natural beauty methods at home instead of spending money on expensive salon treatments. And honestly, skincare doesn't always have to be complicated. Sometimes simple ingredients combined with consistency can make a big difference in how your skin looks and feels. Also remember, healthy skin starts with good habits. Drink enough water, eat healthy foods, get enough sleep, and always take care of your skin gently. So, friends, would you try this homemade recipe? Tell me in the comments below, do you prefer shaving, waxing, or natural DIY beauty methods? If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more useful beauty and home tips. Thank you so much for watching.